Go home happy with the 2024 Honda HR-V. Presenting the Honda HR-V, the small SUV that thinks big and bold when it comes to safety, convenience, handling, cargo, fuel efficiency, and infotainment technology. We think you'll agree it's an engineering marvel. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, backup camera, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls, alarm, rear spoiler, intermittent wipers. There's so much to love about this practical, agile Honda HR-V. Experience it for yourself. Take a test drive today.